Cameras at the scene, can't say names, but they know what I mean. Pull up on beat, drill and repeat. Can't go home till the mission's complete.
You know I can't sleep on vials.
Nah, I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs. Nah, I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Hey, shorty with the long text, I don't talk. Ay. Shorty with the long legs, she don't walk. Ay. Yeah, last year I kept it on the tuck. Ay. 2020, I came to fuck it up, yeah. I want a long life, a legendary one. I want.
You can't defeat me.
No, I know. But he can.
I don't really fuck with nobody. Now they all know.
It's 100 niggas in the spot. It's 85 just to walk on. I don't to these niggas, cause a lot of these niggas horny. I'm feeling horny. And I shoot like Robert Horry. I'm on this percolated shit. I got a percolated bitch. I give her this percolated dick. I show her this.
Hate about it, hate about it. Niggas know I had to swing, I had to make a play. I had to apply the pressure, cause you my hidden treasure. I think I'm falling in love. She said, what you know about that? I got what you need. Woke up in the store and get what you want, go get. You get what you please. We bout to get it on. Take off them drawers. It's just you and me. You know what I be doing. I'm about to go.
I might have to double, yeah. Drippin' in my jealous, 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 yeah. Drippin' in my jealous. Carry my
about to date my lady Selfridges. New drip on the way,
I feel like I'm in Prince's house. Purple paint all on the walls, Sitting down on this fancy couch and I can't see straight, I'ma stay, 22, I'm in Paris, baby. Got strippers' tits in my face, Roll up in a Bentley, I'm a Christian, I'm a Fendi, I'm a Prada.
Ferrari, hope is he. Cocaine, scope is ski.
La nueva religión no tiene mandamiento. Mis putas son buenas, todas son de convento. Estoy sonando hasta en el 2008 en los carros y los ventos. Cada 4 horas me tocan los medicamentos.
Se acabó la cuarentena, el cuerpo lo sabe.
I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me, Papa.
Les mauvais garçons, bêtises, merci aux clients fidèles. J'accumule de billets. Merci aux clients fidèles. Des rafales dans l'escalier. Merci aux clients fidèles. J'accumule de
high as fuck, right in front to where the venue was. Every time I look at her, she feel like I'm the only one. Only thing I care about is living life the best I could. Only wanna smoke and stay productive till the day is done. Pull up to my day ones, kicking shit like day one. Then I play her favorite song, she think we can get along. I ain't got no beef with bones, but I'd rather roll it strong. She ain't tryna prolong, she get to the provolone. Pull up to my block quick, pop out then I dip. At first I told her no, but now I think I'll have a sip. Ever since I got my money right, I'm smiling like the Grinch. And I don't give a fuck about no sucker nigga shit. I'ma pull up screaming, don't get no bucking at his itch. I show up doing 5-4.
que usted no conoce, hermano, lo que es el estilo.
Ella ya me olvidó. Yo la recuerdo.
Hacia las manos, hacia las manos.
New bike day.
About to take my ladies out for years. New drip on the way,
I feel like I'm in Prince's house. Purple paint all on the walls, sitting down on this fancy couch and I can't see straight, I'ma stay, 22, I'm in Paris, baby. Got strippers' tits in my face.
She send me a text, don't answer her call. She love when I flex and shop in the mall. Relieving her stress, I beat her.
If you flex with your shit, then pussy boy, I'ma make you lose that. This shit all intense, they be like, yo, let's how you do that. Man, I do that. Bad man, me no sin now. I came in a thing with my guys, then we left with a bit man.
Me, you're a bike life kid without telling me you're a bike life kid.
The Tale of Naruto Uzumaki.
salir a hacer unos huele en la calle silvano. Todo mi piño que viene con todas las ganas para hacer lo suyo, aquí están. Vamos soltando la mano a la gente en la calle que si nos saluda se va. Por eso le damos todo la goma y no me interesa nada de lo demás.
Can you think of anything better than cutting into a warm loaf of bread?
Yes, absolutely I can. Just being able to look at this absolute weapon. I mean, oh, she's beautiful, I'm totally in love, she's definitely better than bread.
I was riding around in the V12 with the racks in the middle. Had a friend on my God, they let my dog out the kennel. When you get it straight up out the mud, you can't imagine this shit. I've been pulling up in the drop tops with the baddest bitch. Young nigga been focused on my check. Got a new coupe wrapped around my neck. Tryna put the water on my potato. Stupid. I got killers to the left of me.
But it's lurking on her. Ain't show no mercy on her. But it's going back to back. We put a curfew on her. It was dark clouds on us, but that was perfect for us. We know you always crash and burn, but it was working for us. Let my tint to B12, double check the details. Gotta cross my T's and out my eyes or I can't sleep well. Millions off of retail. Once again I prevail. The rap shit was over from the day I dropped my pre-sale. Hold up, let the beat build. See me in the street still. I've been fighting battles up a steep hill.
Go yard.
I got 3 thoughts on my dick, bust down Gucci all on my feet. I tell my bitch, rolling that strip, she like Ash Cash, only the tip. I be skirting off in that whip, I see her up and that would get hit. Yo, till on top when I try to drop, I feel like I'm Cardi, I'm annihilate. I got 3 thoughts on my dick, bust down Gucci all on my feet. I tell my bitch, rolling that strip, she like Ash Cash, only the tip. I be skirting off in that whip, I see her up and that would get hit. Yo, till on top when I try to drop, I feel like I'm Cardi, I'm annihilate. I like, what the fuck is this all? I don't wanna be your love, I be getting to the pains and I start out the mud. Little bitch, I'm a lion, she getting dug. I don't want no old money, only.
She got me going psycho. She got me going down, down, down.
Okay, yes, I know. This is a clutch, this is the brake, and this is the gas. I know that. No, this thingy goes in, this thingy make me go slow, and this thing make me go bang 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 bang.
Gun on me, I'm the man in the power. He never choke in my face, the man is a coward. Ayy, go looking for him every hour. I remember nights in the tower. I do, sucking my dick out the shower. Tell her be quiet, she told me fuck it even louder. Ayy, paid now, feet up, all of your sneakers is beat up.
Hey, baby, let me see it.
Jalebi, baby.
I just wanna eat it.
Jalebi, baby.
Baby, let me see it.
Jalebi, baby.
No, I really need it.
Jalebi.
Oh, baby, let me see it.
Jalebi, baby.
I just wanna eat it. Jalebi, I know the things that you like. Oh, baby, let me see it. Yeah, hey, tell me how you feel. Looking like a movie star, doing it for reals. Looking like a snack, looking like a whole meal. Gucci and Chanel with your red bottom heels. Ice drip like Bonnie, Barney Jack the Biryani. Shawty bad, she my divani Mastani. Light it up, I'm living.
Game on my tombstone and bury me. By the river they will carry me. Finally I'll be resting in peace. Finally, I'll get to fly away.
Everybody in bike life needs to hear this because it's really getting me mad now. So recently I've been looking for a backup bike to purchase, right? And everybody is overcharging. Like, y'all are really smoking with these prices, bro. I really want to know what y'all are smoking to be charging these high ass prices for these bikes, bro. You really have people out here charging $500 for a 2018 SoCal Flyer with bald hookworms, bro, and ripped up ODI grips. Like, what are you doing? And then on top of that, like, I remember back in the day, right? A big ripper was like $600, maybe even $700 if it was a signature. People are charging retail for that. Even above retail for that sometimes. People are getting these C100s, charging $1,300 for a used one. It's like, bro, what? Stop what you doing.
Add 17 videos to the sound and let TikTok sync it.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of la chop. Baby so cold, he from the north, he from the Canada. Bankroll so low, I got nothing else that I can withdraw.
They ain't get nothing from me. I did some things and gained nothing from it. I was locked down with they put them chains on me. Great Sean on the beat, by the way.
Look,
Look, I'm about making money, laughing, joking when there's nothing funny. You wasn't there, can't get nothing from me. I did some things, ain't get nothing from it. And I was locked down with it, but them chains on me. Mama, just pray for me. I know you stressing, just wait on me. Mama, just wait on me.
No, they ain't show no love to me. Some don't look up to me, nigga, but fuck it, I'm cool. Ain't had no back for me, say you feel bad for me. I got the work and I moved it. Charged like a battery, demons they battle me. I got some pain, I might lose it.
I got some pain, I might lose it. I got some pain, confuse it. I got some niggas who sent us like essays. I put all their names in my music. Pain that we put it. Never let them tell you that you can't, no you couldn't. Me and you can never be the same, no we couldn't. Yeah, my mother rich, seen a chance and I took it. Sky was all black. You proud of me now. You so dark, how you shine like a star. How you shine like a star. I'm about making money, laughing, joking when there's nothing funny. You wasn't there, can't get nothing from me. I did some things and get nothing from it. And I was locked down with it, but them chains on me. Mama, just pray for me. I know you stressing, just wait on me. Mama, just wait on me.
I bet they don't know how I'm feeling. I bet they ain't real. Look at my eyes, you could tell I'm a driller. I looked up to them killers, taking drugs, I hope these perks don't kill us. In my perk, no filter. Look, I want that new whip out the dealer. Give my mama a couple of grand. I gotta move quick, can't stand up. And do shit that you won't understand. I got some bruises, won't heal up. I just hope I get better again. Say you gon' do this, you gon' say you gon' do this, you gon' do that. I ain't never seen you do a thing. Gun in your head, son, like a do-rag. Feel a wing, we bustin' your brain. Look, we ain't gon' bustin' them things. I feel like I don't know a good team. After the fortune and fame, but you can't get fortune without all the fame. Don't get split like a fraction. Me and my dogs might first get the yacht. Remember days loading up magazines. Now they see us, we all up in magazine. I'm about making money, laughing, joking when there's nothing funny. You wasn't there, can't get nothing from me. I did something, can't get nothing from me.
No, la que me mandé. Uy. Están locos, ¿no? No sé qué han hecho ahí, casi me mato. ¡Oh! Se ve que están planeando una línea nueva, no sé, con un salto. Ah, mira cómo han dejado esto. Una autopista. Esto es una autopista. ¡Qué capo! Posta que qué capo. Impresionante. Se nota la diferencia, ¿no? Seguro lo deben ver ahí en GoPro.
He kept up the cool thing. It was like, sup? And I'm like, yeah, hello. You know, I pride myself in being probably the uncoolest biker out there, you know? Everyone's like really cool. They got the nods, they got the waves, and I'm the guy like, hello. Everything's awesome.
What's a moto fan?
Within you dies, don't you want somebody to love? Don't you need somebody to love? Wouldn't you love somebody to love?
No, hey, cop. Fuck. Oh, shit. Hey, cop. No. That's what I was trying to tell him.
Building an $11,000 Santa Cruz Nomad mountain bike.